In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Euro futures today as they're realizing a nice bounce here today. After 4 days of selling pressure and some initial selling pressure to start the session, we are seeing the Euro futures higher today, currently right around the 1.214 level. Now, we did say high of 1.216 intraday, so we're a little bit off the intraday highs, but nonetheless up on the session, reversing the recent downtrend. And when you look at most of the major currency futures today, we are seeing them stronger as well, with the exception of the Japanese yen, which is showing a little bit of weakness. When you look at some of the driving factors, I don't think you have to look too much further than the testimony coming out over the weekend from incoming Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen. She was testifying in front of the Senate today. I think the idea that she floated about taking advantage of low interest rates and potentially increasing the stimulus measures if needed caused a little bit of a pause in the U.S. dollar, and I think that's why we're seeing most of these major currency futures benefiting from that narrative today. When you look at the euro, coming off of 1 month lows basically in their previous session, so again, lower end of the recent range, but also I want to point out that when you look at today's price action with this bounce, we are seeing volume picking up quite substantially today. So that's something to keep an eye as we move through the week. I think, again, this temporary bounce in this downtrend that the Euro futures have found themselves in is being supported by an increase in volume today.